Well, that's it. We have a round tool. It sits nicely in its groove. It's locked firmly. And I didn't show you that, but the groove is a bit angled. It's not really an angle, it's just several grooves, meaning I just went a bit over with the top one, somewhere between with the middle cut, and the final cut is a bit protruding forward. So it's sitting there pretty flush and nice, and I'm pretty happy with that. Very rigid setup, and it's easy to install. This is an M4 I ordered from eBay, and of course turned it a bit on the lathe because it was a bit too wide. I may actually turn it a bit more later on. So, well, now we have two tools. We have the round one and the triangular one. The next tool is going to be a square one. And after that, I'll do the diamond. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And do try and make one of these yourself because it's a hell of a lot more fun and a lot cheaper than buying these online. Let me know what you think right below.